Hey everyone, how's it going? And in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to fix not launching or won't launch issue in OneHuman on PC. As you can see, a lot of people are facing the same issue, so it needs to be something that is patched on there. And one thing you can do is search for OneHuman on your device. I am showing Valorant as an example. Click on open file location, and then you want to right click, open file location one more time, and then you need to go back and find where the actual .exe like application is. Right click on that and then go to properties. Under the compatibility tab, you want to click on run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and then OK. And the next thing you need to do is head over to Steam and then go to your library, find OneHuman there, and then head over to the general tab, and then you'll see the third one which says installed files. Click on that below general tab, and then you'll see something called verify game integrity, so you want to click on that and make sure it's verified. And these are the only two possible fixes, and this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.